Cast.
Well, at sunrise, you may have seen some sun for a while, a beautiful one at that. There's Kenneth Johnston's shot this morning from Afton, but then those mid-level clouds just hung tough throughout the morning hours, really didn't scour out until the afternoon, and that had a bearing on how high our temperatures climbed today. Only touched 50 at the airport, currently 45. Skies are clear now. Currently at the Valley, we have 43 at the airport there in Weeders Cave, touched 51 for a high today, and again, took a while for the clouds to depart. 42 in Madison, there's 39 in Palmyra. 47 there in Waynesboro, 43 in Stanton. And as we take a look at the satellite and radar combination over the last several hours, you can see from this morning the clouds that just hung tough across our portion of the Commonwealth. It took a while for that to erode during the afternoon. But again, clear skies now. Temperatures here for tonight, upper 20s to low 30s, so a seasonably chilly overnight. And then for tomorrow, temperatures will kind of hover either side of 60 degrees. So a mild day, a pleasant day here for your Friday. And we're going to take that warmth into the weekend. Saturday, certainly the pick of the weekend days, low 60s, sunshine, a pleasant day. A different story on Sunday. It'll still be mild, good likelihood of rain. We still need that, but because of the soaking rainfall, the wind potential, and even for the mountains, a possible changeover to snow before this ends, we highlight Sunday as a first alert day because of the dynamics with this next storm. So anywhere from right now, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, that would certainly be welcome with the ongoing drought. Winds could gust 25 to 40 plus miles per hour, some of the strongest along the Blue Ridge. And speaking of the mountains, there's the potential for a changeover to snow before it ends Sunday night into early Monday morning. But things are quiet now. High pressure's off to our south and west. That'll begin to drift offshore here as we go into the start of the weekend. And then this is the energy with the Pacific system that will reorganize as it moves off the Rockies into the Plain States. And because of the configuration of the jet stream, it'll tap both Gulf and Atlantic moisture. It'll surge warmth up the eastern seaboard, and it'll be pretty potent. So as you look at the upper level wind, here comes the trough. That's the storm. It's picking up moisture. It's bringing in the warmth, and that'll be the case here for the weekend. Here it is back to the west on Saturday, and then on our doorstep here for Sunday. So that's a lot of wind energy up and down the eastern seaboard. That's a lot of rain up and down the eastern seaboard. And then on the backside, the colder air wraps in. So a pretty dynamic storm system, and that will be for Sunday. In the meantime, in the morning, we'll start in the 20s and 30s. A pleasant afternoon with high temperatures either side of 60 degrees for your Friday. And then on Saturday, looks good. Temperatures will start in the 30s. Nice mild afternoon with temperatures pretty much in the low 60s. And then we turn our attention to Sunday because here's the storm out to the west. The storm's going to rocket toward the Great Lakes. Again, that moisture is going to work up the eastern seaboard. It'll be mild, gusty winds in association with that. Some of the heaviest rain could be as we get into the afternoon and evening Sunday, and potentially maybe even a storm or two. And then the colder air wraps in behind, so the mountains could see a little bit of snow before this ends, and then gusty winds and chilly temperatures take us into Monday. Mostly clear and cold tonight, 20s and 30s. There's a look at the Michael and Son's 7-day forecast. Mild temperatures here for Friday into this next December weekend. We'll watch Sunday for that potential for storminess and some soaking rains, gusty winds, and a changeover. That's why the first alert weather day is there. We'll continue to keep you posted. Chilly in the first part of next week.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.